I hope you guys are absolutely fine at your home. Easy to welcome you in this new video. So I hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे and today we are going to talk about the Dholera project, which is the biggest project of Gujarat and India also, and that's why I want to discuss about it. And the main thing because of which I want to discuss about it is that the date on which the Dholera was going to launched is now postponed because of the COVID-19 virus, and I think that this is the good decision. But if we see from the aspect of development, so this is the biggest loss of India because of this COVID-19 we lost the chance of having development at right time, and this is biggest loss of our country and world also, because if we talk about Dholera, so if it will have all type of international ports. I mean that you can enter Dholera by sea, by air, by road, and by bullet train. Yes, there will be bullet train station, not simple railway station. So it will be a huge development for our country, and that's why we all are happy that once the Dholera will start in India and everyone will go and settle there, means the person who want to buy a place there, and it will be actually a business hub, and it will be a biggest place of India, because it is I have read that the area of Dholera is almost twice than the area of the Delhi. Actually, I have not read. Actually, I have listened in the speech of our PM Shri Modi ji. So that's why I want to discuss about it, that why they have delayed it for 2040, means from 2022 to 2040. Means directly it means that they have changed the date for almost 18 years. Why? Means यार 6 महीने के काम के लिए, only for the work of 6 months you have expanded the whole project for 18 years. Means why? I just want to ask a question, that why are you doing like that? Why are you shifting the final date of projects for 20 years, 18 years, 15 years? We know that your work is very good, but like this is the biggest question on you and us, that why we are interested and why we are not asking questions. We are only interested because we are interested, we are saying, but we are not interested in asking questions, and the right questions. That's why we are saying. And हाँ, मैं हिंदी में बोलने से भी डरता नहीं हूँ, मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश में इसलिए बोलता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पसंद आता है. बाकी हिंदी और इंग्लिश मैं दोनों ही लैंग्वेजेस की रेस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, लेकिन फर्स्ट हिंदी है क्योंकि वो हमारी मातृभाषा है, और इसलिए मैं रेस्पेक्ट करता हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश में सिर्फ इसलिए बात कर रहा था क्योंकि इंग्लिश में भी कंटेंट अच्छा बनता है, तो मैं ट्राई कर रहा था कि इंग्लिश में भी बोलूँ, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं हिंदी की रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करता हूँ. आई लव हिंदी, और मुझे गर्व है कि मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि वो मेरी मातृभाषा है और मुझे आना चाहिए, और हर उस इंसान को आना चाहिए जो इंडिया में रहता है, एटलीस्ट, क्योंकि वो हमारी मातृभाषा है. वो वैसे भी सबसे प्राचीन भाषाओं में से एक है, मीन संस्कृत के बाद हिंदी भी एक प्राचीन भाषा है, तो इसलिए मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबको हिंदी और संस्कृत ठीक है, अब आजकल यदि नहीं आती है तो एटलीस्ट आप संस्कृत की भी रेस्पेक्ट करें और हिंदी की भी रेस्पेक्ट करें, क्योंकि हमारी मातृभाषा है. तो आई थिंक कि आप लोगों को बात समझ में आ गई होगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड सॉरी यदि किसी को बुरा लगा हो तो, बट मेरे को जो पूछना था मैंने पूछ लिया. थैंक यू सो मच.